Matibay na haligi ng Tagaytay. Mainit dito, Fernet. Palamigin mo nga. So, everybody now. Talaga nga, hindi natin makontrol eh. Sir. Okay! First runner! In front of your wheel! Go! Hit the dirt!
Ito. Mahirap at ina. Ito ang nagawa ng dalawang pagkay.
Ataw.
So, damas y caballeros, this is it. A race for supremacy. Marshall, anda. Okay, runner from Angeles City. Kabiling.
Pinapaikot nga bago umikot ulit bumalik daan.
So, Mariano Kabiling is from Angeles City. Yung pong sagawi ng malayo sa kalsada. Dito, taga-Balayan po ito, Efren Beson. From Milan, Italy. Tama ba? Batang Milan po ito. Alam naman natin ang palitan ng euro ngayon. Mataas na. Ha? Messina, Italy. Alam ko, Milan eh. Okay. So, yung mga Italiano, bibigyan ko kayo mamaya kung ano mga tawag sa Italy. Manda kayo. Okay, muli po. There's our first runner, Mariano Kabiling, over the tabletop. And in the rally, hitting again another obstacle. Tingnan po ninyo yung galaw. Yung nakaputing t-shirt sa baba. Martials, presence of mind. It's about time. Let's eradicate mistakes. Let's eradicate mistakes. Huwag kayong mahihiya. Kayo ang authority dyan. Okay, Mariano Milan. Sir, ano po ang ating running time? 15 minutes ba? Mga bossing, 15 minutes pa tayo? Okay. So, bakit tumatakbo? Okay.
Mas lumapit sa, balik.
Okay. So, with that kind of initiative, okay, here we go. Mariano Kabiling, taga-Angeles City po yan, riding on a very white jeep. Parang ikay sinisimbolismo ang ating national flower, Sampagita. Very white, all is white, sign of purity. Okay, you got the wrong way, man. Your timer starts now. Efren Benson. What kind of difficulty at the starting line by Efren Benson? Okay. Now heading to the stretch. The first is slow. Big jump. Boom! Power! Although a little bit inaccurate regarding that particular trial left by Efren Benson, and heading to the particular mountain, he will be going to circling, spinning around that particular 360-degree turn. And somebody named Mariano Kabiling from Angeles City, now having a difficulty crossing that particular, log crossing. Log crossing ba yung obstacle na yun? Boss, anong
Sumayad kasi.
So, rock rolling. So, it will be a rock rolling, a bed of rocks. Now, being passed by Mariano Kabiling. So, anong oras? Nalalabi, para kay Kwan. 15 minutes time to. Sino ba timer natin ito sa track B? Uisawa Julie. Okay. Thank you. We got Efren Benson after the 360. He will be going for another canal. And a big slope. Power of machine. Oh, it will be there. The first attempt is not good. Efren Benson. He never missed twice. Yes. So it will be still a very long journey by Efren of Malayan Off-Road Class. Mariano Cabiling of Angeles City there. Now we will be going for that another mountain. Sungka Challenge. Ang mga hukay po dyan ay tulad ng sungka, pero magkakabalagbat, magkakasalungat. Alam naman natin dito sa Batangas, ang sungka ay ikaw ay pwede magsubi na magsubi, huwag lang masusunog. Efren Benson, subi na subi, huwag kang masusunog. Dyan sa Sungka Challenge. Okay, Mariano Cabiling. Yeah, we got that power of machine, ability of driver. So it will be now the skills. Okay, yan po ang tinatawag nating wings. Yung kanilang kinakalas na yon. Hahanap sila ng winching point. Yung ipinapaliwanag ko sa inyo kanina. So, Efren Benson on that Sungka Challenge now dialing a lifeline. He needs some help regarding on that particular wings. Okay. So, ingat po kayo.